It was like all my dreams kind of came true. Freshman year I went to states and I knew that I wanted to win a state championship someday, and just that last portion of the race where I was kind of in that front position.
To see her coming around the last quarter mile on the field and to go across the finish line, I was so excited for her. It felt chills.
I was really tired, but I was really ecstatic. I'm super happy when I crossed the finish line, just to see all my hard work pay off, especially this season.
Well, Natalie's state championship was an amazing accomplishment for her and for our Pine-Richland cross country program. In the history of Pine-Richland cross country, she is our first individual state champion for cross country. And not only is she champion, she did it in the most difficult AAA class, and it's very competitive. It's not easy to do at all.
It was a nice sunny day. It was a little warmer than normal.
The whole race, she was up there right near the lead in the lead pack. I knew she had a great chance going in, and she was in perfect position the whole race.
Going into it, maybe a few nerves, but I knew that I wanted to try to go out there and win, and if not, just have the best race possible. And the last probably 1,000 meters, I could tell that was a possibility, so I really kicked it and gave it everything I had.
I've been coaching her for 6 years. She's an amazing athlete, works so hard. Her dedication through the years, in the workouts, dedication through each season has paid off with the state championship.
It's really helped to have a really good team by my side the whole time, and I've just had a lot of support throughout the whole way from my parents and everything, so I think that that's kind of what helped get me there, and I really wanted to be able to make my mark here, so really glad I got to do that.
Have you taken it off yet?
I have, but it does feel really nice being able to wear it and just kind of, I don't know, it's kind of like a memento for what I've done.